Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're going to see how to split the table, how to split a single table into two off by using a simple option on your LibreOffice writer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to split the table in your LibreOffice writer? Just going to show in this video. For that, first I just going to insert a cube here. So I just going to insert a 3 into 5 table. So I just going to split the table. This is a 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we can just put it 5 here. So I just going to split the table into 3 rows and 3 columns a table, and 3 columns and 2 rows is a table. I just going to split this into 2 parts. For that, first you just need to select a table, and then you have an option here to split the table. You can right click here. You have a lot of option, but just going down, you have this option on the corner. You have this option called split table. Just click this and it shows a copy the heading or custom heading apply the style like that. So just go with the no heading and click OK. Now you can see the table has been splitted. So this is how you just split the table into 2 in the LibreOffice site. If it doesn't want to split it, just undo the option. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Maybe Unique. Have a wonderful day.